What you giggling about?
So I was talking to Naomi, and she goes, yeah, you booked with me. I said, we're a little bit early. She goes, you booked with me. I'm like, yeah, you know, blah, blah, blah. She goes, I remember you. You were funny. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is David.
I'm Tina.
And we are in Stowe, Vermont. And wow, that's all I can say is we came here as a kind of a, well, Tina had recommended, she wanted to stop at Stowe. And so I plopped it in our plan and for an overnighter or two overnights, or yeah, 2 nights. And I kind of wish now we were staying longer because it's absolutely beautiful here. And well, Tina, in our day and a half here, what have we done so far?
Well, the first night we got here, we at the GoldBrook campground, we set up, and like David said, it's a beautiful place.
Oh yeah.
And I wish it had smell-o-vision because the pine trees, the pine needles, it smells like Christmas here because it just smells so great. Anyway, so the first night we get here, we go to a brewery, which is Rock Art Brewery.
Rock Art Brewery,
and
yeah.
it's a very unique place. It's covered in
modern art.
Modern art, yeah.
There's like paintings, there's some clay work. It's really unique stuff.
Yeah, it's got great craft beer.
They have some really good craft beers, yeah.
Oh, and the number one thing about it that we didn't know, it's a
harvest host.
It's a harvest host.
Yeah. So there you go. Anybody that uses a harvest host coming through Stowe, there you go.
Rock Art Brewery is a harvest host.
Yep.
And the second thing we did, we went to the historic GoldBrook covered bridge. There's a little rumor about the bridge that it's a young girl. She was waiting there for her love, and he never showed. And she jumped off the bridge and died. And supposedly her spirit ghost still haunts the place, still lingers there. Of course, we didn't see anything like that.
Thank goodness.
Today has been a beautiful day, and it's been a full day. We took the gondola ride up to the Stowe Ski Resort, and the views, stunning.
Absolutely amazing.
Stunning, stunning, stunning. The colors, the fall colors of the trees, just overlooking everything. It was just beautiful. And then we had lunch up there at the Cliff House. I think you had macaroni, and I had
mac and cheese.
The homemade tomato soup.
All right, so we're here at the Mansfield gondola ride here in Stowe, Vermont. Absolutely beautiful area. I would love to come back. It's been a week or two. Tina's up there getting tickets, and we're gonna ride up what I believe is the highest point in Vermont. Don't hold me to that. Okay, here we go. Getting on the gondola ride for the first time ever, well, in Vermont.
Here we go.
From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are.
fun. So we made the gondola ride up to the Cliff House here in Stowe, Vermont. And first time I've ever really been on a true ski mountain. I've been to Paoli Peaks in southern Indiana, and it's got a ski lift, but you know, I'd like to try maybe coming here go skiing. In Vermont, it's been absolutely beautiful. The weather's been a little chilly this morning, but wow, it is so nice, so beautiful.
Highly recommend taking the gondola ride up to the mountain, having lunch. It's a beautiful view. We can't wait to show you the pictures. It's just amazing.
Mm-hmm. It is. Yeah. So we're gonna think, well, our dinner or lunch is in 30 minutes. So we're just gonna kind of just chill out here for a bit, literally.
Yeah,
it's kind of cool this morning.
Here, yeah.
Yeah. October 1st. So we're gonna just hang out. All right.
We're getting ready to eat lunch right there at the Cliff House.
Yep. Beautiful. Tina picked this out, and I wish she had said let's stay longer than just a day and a half. Right, Tina?
Well, I'm not the one that made the decision just to stay a day and a half. I said, let's go to Stowe Vermont. Oh, what's there to do in Stowe Vermont? I was like, well, we'll pick it all out when we get there. It's just supposed to be a beautiful place to visit in the fall. And we get here and he's like, oh my goodness, I wish we could stay longer than a day and a half.
Yeah, and even the park that we're staying is absolutely amazing. Staff, Naomi, she's like, I remember you calling, you're funny. So anyway, I want to come back. I do want to come back. I want to come here, maybe even in the winter, just fly up, meet some family and friends maybe, and try to go skiing again. Oh yeah, this would be fun. Check this out. Yeah, imagine going down this on some skis.
And then after that, we came down and took the...
Yeah, we came down, we picked up the pups, get them out for a little bit today, and we went to Ben & Jerry's. And I've never had Ben & Jerry's ice cream before. I've known it was out there, but I just never had it. So as we were coming in to town, we saw the factory and told Tina, I'm like, oh, we saw they offered factory tours and you could buy ice cream outside and like a kiosk and everything. So we went there today, took the pups there, and I got chocolate chip, is that correct? And you got?
Fudge brownie.
Fudge brownie.
And we got...
Pups got a pup cup.
One was pumpkin and one was peanut butter.
Yeah. So they enjoyed that. Took a little snapshot of the pups.
Yeah. And then we went to the graveyard.
Yes, and that was really cool because the flavors that have died over time, I was reading through some of the tombstones and they're absolutely hilarious. So kudos to the person who wrote that stuff up. So we did that, and then Tina, we went to, what was the cider company?
It was Cold Hollow Cider Mill, and that was on my bucket list to do. We get there and it's extremely busy, packed, no, hardly any place to park, and I went in, quickly grabbed our cider and our hot cider and our cider donuts, and get out to the vehicle. And I hand David his cider, and then I went to get in the car with mine, and the lid came off.
Yep.
And it went all down my leg, hot cider went all down my leg, filled the front floorboard with nothing but cider, and needless to say, it made for a very sad moment, and a few choice words were said by me that will not make this video.
No.
But I'm sure some of you can relate. Other than that,
yeah, so we cleaned up and came back, and we're getting ready to pick some dinner for the night and heading out tomorrow. And Tina, where are we going tomorrow?
Maine.
We are heading to Bar Harbor, Maine.
But to sum it up, we would definitely come back
Yes.
to Vermont. We are very sad to be leaving. And the campground, we would definitely stay here again, and we would stay for a longer time.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
And we set out last night, and we're sitting out tonight and by the fire and just enjoying the stars and the mountains around us.
So if this is the first you've come across our videos, our channel, please consider subscribing. And more importantly, watch these videos and share them with your family and friends. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Click the little bell thing that lets you know that we've put out another video. And I think that's about it as far as all the YouTube stuff.
I think so.
So from Denver, Annie, Tina, and I, bye-bye.
It's our last day here in Stowe, Vermont. Yesterday, as you'll hear in the video, we stopped by the Cold Holler Cider Mill to pick up some hot cider and some of the cider donuts. Well, I wasn't able to record inside the store because it was busy, and I had an incident when I got back to the truck of spilling. The lid came off and spilled one of the hot ciders on me and in the floorboard. So I wasn't able to record that. But this morning, David has been so kind to share his hot cider with me. So as we leave here this morning, we're going to have hot cider and we're going to enjoy our cider donuts. And if you're ever in the area, I do highly recommend going by the Cold Holler Cider Mill and go early so you'll have time to enjoy and you won't feel rushed, because that's how it felt yesterday when we were there. Just in and out real quick. So anyway, sad to be leaving Stowe, Vermont, and look forward to coming back and moving on to Maine. Have a good day. We took the gondola ride up to the Stowe RV Resort. And
No Stowe RV Resort. Stowe, excuse me.
Sorry.
Yeah, put your RV on the gondola and take it up to the top of the mountain.
That's not what I meant. We took the gondola ride up to the Stowe RV Ski Resort.
Yeah, the Stowe RV Ski Resort.
Did I say RV
You
Resort?
said it again.
So today has been our full day here. Took the gondola ride up to the RV. Good morning, everyone. We're here at the Skylift today.
What are you showing?
I don't know.
He's just showing you. So, no, I'm not going to delete it. Unless you're going to an outtake.
We're right there.
Okay, start over. Where are we?
We're right up there.
No, where are we now?
Oh, we're on top of the ski mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah. Highly recommend taking the good. Highly recommend taking the good. That's easy for me to say.
The little cart thing that goes up on the cable. So, yeah, if you're in the area,
definitely take the gondola ride.
Yeah. Gondola.
Let's start that all over.
Gondola.
Yeah, let's start that over.
No, that's just.
Highly recommend taking the gondola. I never can say it right. The gondola.
There you go.